It is Monday, June 4th at 12:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4:15 Coordinated Universal Time, and you are looking at a live view of a flight-proven Falcon 9 rocket on the SpaceX launch pad as it awaits its second launch since landing back in September of 2017.
Minus 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition. Liftoff.
We've had successful liftoff of Falcon 9 as it carries SES-12 to geostationary transfer orbit. We're coming up on max Q here in a few seconds.
Go. Stage first confirmed. Ignition.
And the fairings have deployed.
We have my back cut off.
And you heard the call out for successful cutoff of the MVAC engine. And that clapping that you can hear in the background signifies that we did have successful SECO-2, second engine cutoff. So with that large delta V from that second and final burn, we now wait for a few minutes before we actually attempt to deploy SES-12 into its geostationary transfer orbit. And as you hear the callouts on the net and the clapping behind me and the video footage of SES gracefully floating away, that will bring our webcast to a close. To recap, we had a successful liftoff, a successful stage separation, and continuation of SES-12 into GTO. Now that brings, again, our webcast to a close, and this is also a nice day because it marks the 8th anniversary to the day of the first successful Falcon 9 flight from this same launch pad on June 4th in 2010. So an important legacy day for us.